Elevate your content creation, video conferencing, and live streaming with the EMEET Piko Plus, a compact yet powerful webcam designed for professionals and creators alike. Featuring a dual camera system, the Piko delivers stunning Ultra HD 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, ensuring every detail is captured with clarity. Its key features: dual camera system. Seamlessly switch perspectives for dynamic presentations and streams. AI-assisted autofocus and exposure. Automatically adjust to keep you in sharp focus, even in varying lighting conditions. 3 noise-canceling microphones. Crystal clear audio by filtering out background noise. Intelligent audio modes. Adaptable sound settings for different environments.
I see you. No, you don't. I see you. Today I have the EMEET Piko Plus 4K AI-powered webcam. Let's check it out. Oh, this thing is tiny. Check that thing out. It even comes with this little template to show you how to put the box back together. But we won't be using that. Alright, it comes with a quick start guide. Comes with some instructions. Comes with the webcam. Comes with this cool little cover that goes right over the webcam when you're not using it. Comes with a tripod and a power cord. This is type USB type. Actually comes with an adapter. USB type C to USB type C, and it's got a little USB type A adapter it comes with. How cool is that? Huh. I really like that. All right, let's get this hooked up and check it out.
Well, I just finished hooking up my webcam, and it was super easy. It was just plug and play. This is at 1080p at 30 frames per second. You can also change the resolution to 2K and 4K. One really cool feature about this camera is you can download their EMEET Studio software, and you can control many different features on this camera. They have low light enhancement. Also, you can change the different audio modes from live mode, noise canceling, and original sound. Also, you can change their field of view, and you can click under the effects, and you can change the brightness, contrast, sharpness. You can also add different filters to your video if you want to add that. And also, you can adjust the focus. This camera already has really good focus, and you can change it from near and far. Check that out. It focuses in really close. I'm absolutely loving this webcam.
So for all my Zoom calls and meetings, I'm just going to use the built-in microphone on my webcam. It does a fantastic job. Check it out. This product will be linked down below.